Cipra Tent House, ban penriam Iaki Yingjing Kawai, ban penbang Iaka Sound Haka Shat Karwai, bat Shibun Kitiar Ni Aiwai. Phun Chengi Hau number, Kendai Sau Lai Hinriu Kendai Prapras Sanot Lai, Cipra Tent House. Hadin baka North East Petroleum Mazdur Union kabari kesenjuk jong kikali kit Umphniang petrol bat diesel kelarai ban pensange ia kejingwan penpoi petrol diesel sya Meghalaya nadu ka arpo khandai trik unawing arjar arpolai kata nadu sngewbha namar kejing keno sya thombor palat haki Pulit Karibuha district nagliang jong Sorkar MDA2 kala Khot Iaka Nepmu ban sange suai kene kejingki bat shushu ke Sorkar kan Khot ia kejing keran sya kamit yaitu Menteri Ketenat Food Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs kejela uba kami wan namban lengba jenggelat pathai khubor Menteri Ulapan Sengewbha ke Sorkar kan Khot da ke Jingialang bat ke North East Petroleum Mazdur Union ha Circuit House Nongpoh ha ka arpo khandai terik mentau banai ha ke jing berngam ka Nepmu ba on nom kit Umphniang IOCL BPCL bat HPCL sya Meghalaya halor ke jing keno bagi Pulit kila pendik bat thombor ya ki nongnya bat ki nongbut trok kit Umphniang da ke basya kem bat kiwi tang namar ke jing sngewbha bagi teri bamhok utiu Menteri Ulaong ba ke Sorkar kan wat ya kilat kelenti ban ya songtho jingmon hadu banta ka jela kamduna ya ke jing dan Umphniang baru la benrap bagi pajba kim dei ban khuslai namar ke Sorkar kan simkhia halor ke jing berngam jong ke Nepmu Hagoi pat kaliang unong ilam jong ke Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya uba Kennedy Karyam ulai tu ba kini kejing tu Umphniang bat kejingya kle hasiteng lenti kalayat menta la bun snam bat kini kelawan ra ya kejing dunong ke bajur ya ke petrol pom bat kejing ma ya ke pajba ke papanam kam ya ke Umphniang na kaliang jong ki Seng ki Nongdie Umphniang petrol Meghalaya ki ai kejing ro ya kejing kendra bat kem ki Pulit ke jela ya ki katto kene ki batu Umphniang hasiteng lenti jong ki surok ba ke jela uba Kennedy ulai thu bagi kali ki bekit ya ki petroleum bat diesel ban penpoi ha Meghalaya ki de ki jingim jong ki petrol pom ki ban penpoi Umphniang se ki pajba jong jela shushu ulong ru bagi pajba kim dei banting ban sir namar ki petrol pom ha Meghalaya ki don ka jeka penlang Umphniang kumba 100,000 hadu shilak liter kat gum ka jinghe ki petrol pom bat ka pahu bahana banta ka jingdon kam jong ki pajba yathu uba Kennedy Karyam ubri presiden jong ka Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya da ka bong ru ba ka Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya ka Kyrshan ya ka jing khandra ki Pulit ya ki badi Umphniang bian uba Kennedy ulong ru ba ka association ka Kyrshan ya ka Sorkar bat ye ki Pulit jong jela ki bala tristom ban pendu jaj ye ki bakum gini ki jingle tu ye Umphniang kali bat penrem jur la don kono ki jingle don bor da ki Pulit kumbala kano da ka Seng North East Petroleum Mazdur Union.
Yesterday I got a letter around by evening I think I don't know I got one letter from them through WhatsApp only. Till today I didn't get this official letter from them. I spoke with my officer, Commissioner Secretary, to coordinate with them. Asked Commissioner Secretary to call them. We'll have a discussion here in Shillong. But these people, this Mazdur Union, they didn't want to come to Shillong. After I asked him to kindly call them maybe in Nongpoh. They agreed to come to Nongpoh. Tomorrow they will have the meeting around 12 o'clock in Nongpoh. We call all the district administration from Bhoi and from these castles also to discuss regarding this. Hopefully they will solve this problem after the meeting.
People are panic about if the talks fail, if the thing don't go.
No need to panic. I request all the people of the state no need to panic because as of now, these petrol retailers they have the stock. Till today they will have the load. I don't think there will be a problem regarding this.
Do we have sufficient stock?
Yes, we have sufficient stock as of now. For 2-3 days, no problem. In case they have shortage of the stock, then we'll ask the Deputy Commissioner to restrict for that.
So we are saying that maybe inflation of the prices?
No inflation.
Any cap has been put on the on how much a person can take petrol or?
No, as of now we cannot say anything regarding that because as of now we have the stock. Fully we have the stock. Then tomorrow they will have the meeting in Bhoi in Sorkar house by 12 o'clock. I think they will solve all this problem.
So tomorrow are you going for the meeting?
No.
Are you chairing? Who will be chairing the meeting?
My Commissioner Secretary will chair the meeting.
Leaders Association of Meghalaya. I am the president. To my right hand side, Bhoi is the vice president. To my left hand side, Hong Sara Donbar, vice president. And my friend from my left, Sam, as the executive member of the association. We represent the PDAM to tell to the people of Meghalaya. Since this morning, things has come out in the newspaper, or the newspaper of Shillong, that the Mazdoor Union, which is the union of the tanker drivers, that from tomorrow there will be a strike. A strike meaning that no transporter vehicles, no oil tanker will lift the load from Assam and take to Meghalaya. That means Meghalaya will be dry from tomorrow. Why all this happens? As a member of the association and as a leader, we have experience and we have been informed and we learn that there are certain locations along National Highway 6, starting from Jorawat, that there are locations where stealing and theft of petroleum products takes place from the tanker. These tanker, which is meant to go to the petrol pump of state of Meghalaya, on the way they steal the fuel, petrol, diesel, and even mix with some other oil or adulterant we call it, which is of inferior quality and low price. So we suffer a lot. Maybe the people of Meghalaya doesn't know about this. So the police of the state of Meghalaya, through the crime branch of the eastern range of Shillong, they raid 7 locations, 7 places from Jorawat up to Nongdie, and they caught red-handed. They arrested few culprits, they seized few vehicles, and they recover petrol, diesel, and kerosene stored in the drum, plastic and tin drums. These are the products which they steal from the oil tanker, which is meant for the state of Meghalaya. This happened on the 24th. Then, later, the Truck Drivers Association, in the name of Mazdoor Union of Northeast, they wrote to the Minister in charge of Food and Civil Supplies, Government of Meghalaya, that the atrocities, the high-handedness, the torture of the police while raiding these places, which they cannot bear. So in the name of their association, they wrote to the Minister in charge that there will be a strike from tomorrow 29. No oil tanker will lift petroleum products for the state of Meghalaya. So we met the Home Minister, we met Coming, we discussed about the issue, and we learned that tomorrow the state of Meghalaya will hold a meeting somewhere in Bhoi, most probably at Nongpoh, DC's office, to be attended by the members of the Food and Civil Supplies of Meghalaya, the police, the district administration of Bhoi, and the Mazdoor Union to discuss about this issue. But we send this message to the state of Meghalaya. We salute the police of Meghalaya and we give full support to the government of Meghalaya that you have raided this place which has been carrying on this kind of illegal activities for so long. And we send a message to the people of Meghalaya, don't be panicked. Since morning, when they get the news that there will be a strike from tomorrow, we could see that petrol pumps jammed by vehicles, thinking that they won't get fuel from tomorrow, the day after, and so on. But the government of Meghalaya, through Deputy Chief Minister Ba Prastun and Ba Kameng, they have assured that the people of Meghalaya will not suffer. Products will reach Meghalaya, and if needed, even with police escort from the loading point to the destination. So we urge the people of Meghalaya, especially Shillong city, please don't be panicked. We have got sufficient oil, petrol, diesel for you. Each petrol pump, the capacity of storing of the storage tank minimum is 60,000 liters. That is a small petrol pump. For a large petrol pump, it goes up to 1 lakh plus. It will be sufficient for 3-4 days. And within these 3-4 days, the government of Meghalaya, together with the oil company, they will send products to Meghalaya. This morning I get a call from one senior officer of the oil company, and he tells us that to send these vehicles to the TOP, that is the loading point, for lifting. The loading point will open. But by saying this, we are not blaming anybody. We don't blame the driver, we don't blame the union, we blame nobody. But we clearly said that the hands of the law is very strong and very long. Those involved in these criminal activities